The top 5 reasons why people want to work as an account manager at State Chemical. The first one for sure is culture. We have an amazing culture here at State Chemical. We understand what it is we do. We do it exceptionally well, but we have a culture that ingrains work-life balance, compassion, employee-first mentality. This has been a great place for me to build my career. When I talk about building a career at State Chemical, I think really I'm an example of that. I started here 16 years ago. I started as a district manager. I became a corporate accounts manager. I went back to senior district manager. I became the regional manager for Canada. And 2 years ago, I was asked if I would be willing to lead the sales team across North America, Puerto Rico, which I'm happy to do. And that's the kind of career that you have the opportunity to pursue here at State. When you talk about longevity, talk about the company itself before we talk about people. The company was founded 112 years ago, and it's still run by the same family today. Our roots are strong, our roots are firm, and then we start layering people in. I mean, we have an employee here who's actually worked here for over 50 years. The amount of tenure we have, experience and knowledge that we bring to our customers because of our longevity, it's amazing. And I believe it's one of the key ingredients that sets us apart from our competitors. Everybody wants to know about compensation. And what I like about State Chemical, firstly, it's the only sales job that I've ever been aligned with where you get a raise for achieving sales growth. Grow by $80,000, get $5,000. Grow another $80,000, get another $5,000. That's amazing. So every time our sales team grows financially, they get a bump, not only in the commissions they earn and the bonuses, but they also get a salary increase. We also offered unlimited bonus potential. There are no caps on the earnings that you can make here. As long as you're willing to invest the time and energy to build a territory, the sky's the limit. Then we have 401k contributions, we have healthcare benefits, we have eye care benefits, and we pay for cell phone or a technology allowance. We pay expenses. All of this thing comes together to build a compensation that is above industry standard. When we talk about support and what makes an account manager successful, starts with hard work. And we have the best leadership team in the business working right here at State. We have 5 regional sales managers here that do a tireless job building the skills of their salespeople. But it goes beyond that. Our manufacturing plants, our headquarters with all of the people that we have working here in marketing and research and development and customer experience and telesales and accounts payables, accounts receivable. We have 600 employees that work behind the sales team to make us great. And without them, it just doesn't happen. We have 5 facilities across North America where we ship product from. We can deliver to 95% of our customers in 24 hours. That's the kind of support that augments the hard work that we ask our account managers to invest. If you're interested in a career at State Chemical, and I hope you are, whether it's out in the field with one of our account managers or inside in the support role, I encourage you to go to www.stateindustrial.com, click the Careers tab on our website, and somebody from recruiting will reach out and guide you through the process.